History, Chapter 15, A Memorable Ceremony. Points to be discussed. First one, why did Shivaji have himself crowned? Second one, the capital of Swaraj. Third one, preparations for the coronation. So, first point, why did Shivaji have himself crowned? Explanation, Shivaji took an oath of Swaraj in a temple at Raireshwar. Meaning of oath, a promise regarding one's future action or behavior. He had faced lot of difficulties to reach till here. He lost many comrades while winning the Swaraj. He overcame all the problems, grievances, difficulties with great courage. He was growing fast like an adult, like an responsible adult. It means he was not enjoying his childhood like other normal kids. He was cared by great men like Baji Prabhu, Murar Baji, Tanaji Malusare. They have made a big contribution in Shivaji's life. Thus, the new kingdom was respected by people and feared by enemies. As you all know, Maharashtra state is recognized by many great men of Maharashtra. In these many names, one of the popular name is of Shivaji Maharaj. He had in his mind that this kingdom must be recognized by others. So, he decided to crown himself. So, after 100 of years, a king was born who treated all the religions equally and gave justice and happiness to his people. It was who? Yes, it was none other than Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj decided to become the king. Why? Because he wanted the people to know the Swaraj has firmly established. For the welfare of people, Swaraj was established and not for any personal reasons or any personal gains. So students, I hope this point is very well clear to you. Let us see the next point. The capital of Swaraj. Shivaji selected Rajgarh as the capital of his kingdom. Rajgarh was strong hill fort. It was easy to watch all over the kingdom and to keep an eye on the enemies. He inspected his troops at Chiploon. He advised them to work hard for the kingdom. He took darshan of goddess Bhavani at Pratapgarh and presented her with a golden canopy. Canopy here it means it's a type of umbrella. Meaning of canopy as per Google it is an ornamental cloth covering, hung or held, especially a throne or bed. In short, you can say an umbrella which is seen over the head of every Indian gods. So students, I hope this point is also clear to you. Let us see the next point, preparations of the coronation. Explanation, Shivaji Raje ordered a golden throne. It was studded with precious diamonds. He put a white umbrella over the throne. Invitations were given to prince, kings and learned Brahmins, Sardars and other officers as well. Now, information about Gaga Bhatt. Gaga Bhatt was the chief priest at the ceremony. He hails from Paithan, but he was settled at Varanasi. He was a great scholar respected in Varanasi. Now, some information about the coronation ceremony. Shivaji Raje ordered his men to bring water from 7 rivers and seas. For what? For the coronation ceremony. Almost 50,000 people were invited. They were gathered at Rajgarh to see their new king. Small tents, big tents, shamiyanas were arranged for the guests. So students, I hope this point is also clear to you. Let us see the coronation ceremony, how it was held. Explanation is here. The day of coronation arrived. Function was held in a grand manner. Singing songs and instrumental music was played. Atmosphere was filled with joy. Shivaji Raje was made to sit on the golden throne with a canopy, it means umbrella, over his head. Other priests were carrying vessels containing dahi, ghee and honey. Gaga Bhatt himself carried waters from 7 rivers and seas. Gaga Bhatt held the vessel on Shivaji's head and started saying mantras of coronation. There were hundreds of tiny holes in the vessel. Water started dripping down Shivaji's head. Students, imagine that scene. Imagine the scene of Shivaji Maharaj's coronation ceremony. You can feel that. If you love Shivaji Maharaj, if you love Maharashtra, if you love history, you can feel that scene in front of your eyes. Shivaji got up and bowed before Jijamata, his mother. Her eyes were filled with tears. She hugged him tightly. Shivaji felt the same way. She had waited for 30 years for this day. After meeting his mother, he sat on the throne. To the left, it was his wife Soyarabai, and to the right, it was young crowned prince Sambhaji Raje. So both were sitting next to Shivaji Maharaj. 8 ministers stood on both the sides. Gaga Bhatt held the canopy over Shivaji's head and said, "Victory to be Shiva Chhatrapati, now crowned king, the ornament of the race of warriors." Everyone present there said in one voice, "Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai! Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai!" His coronation took place in the year 1674. From that year, Shivaji Maharaj started a new calendar. It was named as Shivaji's coronation calendar. He made his own coins. Some foreign officers were present at the ceremony. They gave him valuable gifts. Many people from faraway places came to see Shivaji Maharaj, newly crowned king of Maharashtra. The whole world came to know about Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Thank you.